Now, for Vegas, you got to take a ton of positive out of this game. If there's one area they need to capitalize because the way Carey Price is playing, and if they wanted to get that cushion, get a 2-goal lead, for all intents and purposes, this game would have been over. It's the power play. They've got to find a way to capitalize.
0 for 10 on the power play in the series now.
Montreal's penalty kill has been spectacular during these playoffs and lately. Unbelievable. And you look at the nose, you look at Byron, you look at Armia doing a great job up front and the big four on the back end, getting it done, and the goaltender being your best penalty killer as well. But they might have to make some adjustments here and figure it out. How are we going to find a way to beat Carey Price in the power play? They did a lot of good things. They were down 2-0, let's not forget, to the Colorado Avalanche.
Exactly. Good point.
Arguably the best team in the National Hockey League. They were during the regular season. So they're comfortable in this situation as well. But maybe a little surprised they're down 2-1.
All right, look at this. Longest PK streak by games. The Habs, they're perfect right now. 25 for their last 25. It extends 10 games. That ties your Devils back in 2000. So you guys were on a run then. Special teams-wise, Montreal certainly on a run right now.
So important come playoff time, right? A big penalty kill gains you momentum. A big power play goal can win you a hockey game. That didn't happen for the Vegas Golden Knights.
All right. Montreal gets it done in overtime. They